Directorate of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Services na sanduna state amadi central lingaki meeting makhada paikhaliba departmental scheme gi matangda sensitization program pangthokrai. State asida nena ta dabagi fibam ama leiragasu lingaki official singna departmental scheme singi thabak thoram sing matam chana pangthoknaba hotna si haina Directorate asigi Director Dr. R.K. Khogendra chitna phongdokrai. Sanjan Thongda Leiba Farmers Training Hall da Pangthokiba Thoramaduda Director Asana Makha Taraduna State Amadi Central Linga Committee Makhada Livestock Census, Vaccination, Livestock Insurance, Artificial Insemination Yauna Program Kayama Leiri. Program Singasi State Asik Hausi Goriba Fiba Masana Maram Oraga, Pangthokpada Kudong Chadava Kayama di Leiri. Adubu Department Asik officials sing na Kari Karamba Pambay Putoktuna, Program Singasi Matam Chana Luishinduna, Lomi Sing da Kanaba, Pihanaba Hotnaba Matam Oiri Haiki. Thoramada the Director Asiki Joint Director Administration Dr. L. Arun Kumar. Joint Director Planning Dr. L. Gozendra. Administrative Officer Dr. Selina Thongnauzam. District Singi Joint Director Deputy Director Singyauna Director Asiga Official Amadi Sab Singna Sarugyaki.
Farmer Day on Mudoriba Akoi scheme singse suppose insurance ki hairo, EDP hairo, Natraga census ki hairo. I Shagyan Tadring say Director Nagyan Tadring, the Joint Director Nagyan Tadring, the State Nodal Officer to Nagyan Tadring, the District Nodal Officer to Nagyan Tadring, Farmer Day on Mungam. And scheme singse officer sing Aduga Sida Lengbi even Mayam Singsina. What is EDP? What is insurance? What is census? What is FMD? Moi timeline na karino, SOP na karino, guideline na karino, amay tong implement tong ni ayose. Ngasigi meeting sida gyanta na pun na tamin naraga, layribi scheme sing sige kanabasi farmer singi level da yawan si.